friends and neighbors, back at you again here. It's been a while, I know, since I've been on, but I have just been so busy with giving vaccines with all this stuff going on with this crazy virus we got in this country, so in the world. So I've been doing my part, trying to get people with some shots and some arms here, so that's where I've been. But anyway, I am working on something now. I'm going to put another quick connect hookup on the back of this snowplow I got. I cut the wings off of the back of this thing, so now I've got to grind all this down. Then I'm going to put that quick connect plate that will fit right here on this, and then that's then I'll take it inside and I'll tack it up once I get the plate on. Then I'll go inside and I'll get it in and get it all welded up nice and tight, because I got to put some as I go through this, I'll show you what I have to do. But anyway, so I'm just getting started today, and nice day today. I've got a lot of grinding to do. Like I say, I cut this off with the acetylene torch, got all those cut off on both sides, and I've still got to do some more cutting and everything, but I want to get my plate on there first, get it set up, so I make sure I got everything the way I want it before I do any more cutting. So anyway, I'll get back to grinding here, and I'll keep you informed as to what's going on here with this. So let's get back to work. Another day working on this, putting this, you can see this quick connect plate, weld plate, to the part of this old piece that had messed up on me. So what I'm doing is I'm going to mark it here, and then come along with the torch, and then I'm going to cut this off right through here. So I have to get that all marked and set up, and then I'm going to take the torch and cut both sides off here so that I have it, because what I'm planning on doing is taking a flat piece and welding on here and come back up to my flat piece here, coming back up and grabbing this, so it gives me some strength, because that blade is so heavy when it sticks out. That way it won't push over. Plus then I'm going to come back, weld this to the top, and then get me some more brackets, have them get me some 4-inch plate, bend it, put it across here, and give me additional strength on the top. So that's where we are. So I'll get set up and get this all marked, and I'll be back with you. What I've done here with this plate I put on there, you've been watching, you know, through this video, it shows you what I've been doing. So I put a plate here, and then I put a bracket that will wrap around and go to the, go back up underneath to the channel. That'll hold the bottom down here. I've still got to come up underneath here yet, but that's no big deal. So got this bracket on, got it all welded across here. I've got the front welded in the groove. So I welded that groove, put some straps on here. Still hot, but got a couple straps that wrap it back around to the other part of the frame, because that blade being so heavy, when it's out there, it could break off. So, and pull this weld apart, and I didn't want it to do that. So, but I got a good long weld through here to cover that there. Plus then I got a weld on the corner, another weld over here, and then a weld down this side. I got to put a better bead on that yet. And the same with another strap over here. And that will do it. All I have to do now is just do a little touch-up, welding on it, and get her attached back to the tractor. Because I brought her in with the tractor this morning to get her inside, because I have a problem with my helmet. It gets too, I can't see exactly where I'm going to start to weld. So anyway. Up here, got it all completed. This back plate right here where the quick connect slides up underneath this slip here, I welded it to this front part here and had to cut off some parts that stuck out over here. And anyway, got her all welded across here. Like I said, I got plates on here, plates across the top. So that way, with all that weight of this thing, this blade on here, it shouldn't pop it off. So there we go. So I'm going to take her outside here and just sit her outside the building here. And there's another project done. I guess the next project I'll be looking to do is putting some windows in this building. So anyway, thanks for watching. Appreciate all my subscribers. I know it's been a while since I posted, but you know, it just takes me a while to get some stuff done. I got life that comes up, so I gotta, you know, just go and do what life wants me to do, and that's what I like to do. So, retired to do what I want to do when I want to do it. So, thanks everybody for watching. Let's get out and do something.